is that it is not permissible for a man to divorce his wife while she's on her menses. And any man who does so, divorces his wife while she's on her menses, needs to know two things. Number one, that divorce does happen. It does happen. So if you divorce your wife while she's on her menses, that divorce takes place. That's the strongest opinion, inshallah ta'ala, in the mas'ala, that she does get divorced. Okay, and I'm not going to go into the discussion on that matter in details. I want to come to another series where I want to talk about ahkam al-talaq, issues related to al-talaq bi-idhnillahi al-kareem. So anyone who divorces his wife while she's on her menses, number one, what you need to know is that the talaq happens, that divorce takes place. And number two is that you were āthim, you're a sinner by doing that, as it's been narrated from the Prophet ﷺ, hadith sahihain min hadithi Ibn Umar. The Prophet said, مُرْهُ فَلْيُطَلِّقْهَا طَاهِرًا كَانَ أَوْ حَامِلًا. The Prophet said, divorce her while she's what? In a state of purity, or while she is pregnant. Okay? So if a man divorces while his wife is in a state of purity, then that's a good divorce. Also, if a man divorces his wife while she's pregnant, it's also a good divorce. And it's fine, there's no problem with that. It doesn't mean divorce is a good thing, but it's just that at that moment of divorce, it is shar'an permissible. Okay? But the person should not divorce his wife وَهِيَ حَائِض, while she's in a state of haid. And this is muharram, is haram, بِإِجْمَاعِ أَهْلِ الْعِلْمِ. Ibn Qudama and others have transmitted an ijma' in the mas'ala.